How to make side money with a full-time job. People with meager income spend a large part of their life working in order to make their ends meet, while the ones having flourishing business labor to add to their wealth. The only common thread between the financially sound and the financially deprived lot is their desire to earn more and more money to lead a luxurious life. There are various organizations that promise risk-free investment but sometimes are unable to meet the expectations of people. Services of Forex Florida can be availed if somebody is in despair and unsure of which organization to trust with their precious little savings. The executives and financial experts at Forex Florida are extremely cordial and go out of their way to make the clients at ease and provide solution to their queries. One can trust their services to get best buying or selling rates for the currency of any country irrespective of the amount they trade in. They offer complete knowledge regarding the trading rates and guide them through a fair process at highly competitive prices. While Forex Florida helps people with Forex trading elite class that has already accumulated surplus wealth may avail the offerings of Florida Money Manager or Asset Manager Florida. Florida Money Manager provides specialized services to keep a track to expenses, budget setup, maintenance and financial documentation of their clients. With complete knowledge of the matters concerning money, they even guide their clients in getting the services of a professional financial planner. Moreover, the offerings of Florida Money Manager can be obtained to secure one's future and manage bonds, shares and other securities against any unexpected financial crunch. In case one has to ensure the long-term interests of their property and needs specialized help, they can seek the services of Asset Manager Florida. Rent collection and routine maintenance are the primary responsibilities of Asset Manager Florida apart from day-to-day management of the properties. They also make sure that cash is not strapped due to the upkeep of property and the clients have sufficient liquidity in the form of accumulated reserve funds. Services of these organizations can benefit one to manage their hard-earned money and get great returns from their properties.